Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background of a particular image. So I use two methods for removing the background of a particular image. So here I've taken two examples. One is a car, with black car. Another one is a red car which is having a background. So let us see the first option, how we can remove the background. So for this, what you have to do is that first, wherever the image is, first select the image. Okay, once you select the image, go to picture tools, go to format. Okay, once you go to format, go to color. Then once you go to color, select transparent color. So here, once you click on that, you can see near the pointer there is a paint or paint kind of option. Just click on that and see the background is easily removed. So this is the easiest option, for the basic kind of images wherein there's no shadows or anything like that. So now let us go to the second image. Okay, and let us try the same option. Let us go to color. Let us go to set transparent color, and once you click that, see the background is removed, but unfortunately, the shadow the beneath the car cannot be removed with this option. So again, if you try with the same option, the image get distorted and it doesn't work. So now what we have to do? So now what you have to do is that we will go for the second option. There is another option called remove background. So you can see it over here. Just click it. So now it has already selected automatically selected the pink area. The pink area is the area which gets removed. So again, you can see this is again not selected. So now what you have to do is that you have to see mark areas to remove. So again, click this. So it will select along with your pen. So just click on like that. So here again, so just make it slightly bigger so that you can see it very clearly what all gets removed. So here you can see the tire gets removed. So just make it a bit bigger. So here the tire gets removed. So what you have to do is that again go to the mark areas to keep. So just click on the tire so that that doesn't get removed. So and again here I think they have not taken the tires. So I'm just clicking that as well again. So wherever the areas, wherein the pink area, pink is automatically taken, so you can just remove it like using this option. So once you have done with that, you can, I'm just minimizing again to 100, and you put keep changes. See, now the background is removed. The entire background is removed. So this is another option, wherein you can use to remove the car background or anything, whichever background you want to remove, you can do these options. So hope you like this video. It's a very simple tutorial for removing the background, but for some people, beginners, this will definitely help them. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you like the video, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.